Hello everyone, my name is Antonio Robinson. I'm the father of two. I have a 20-year-old daughter and a 10-year-old son. My daughter, about 2 months ago, she gave birth to a little boy, so I'm a new grandfather, my first grandbaby. I'm really excited about that. I graduated last December with a bachelor's degree in human services and psychology from Montreat University. And one of the reasons that I chose to pursue my master's in social work is I did some research, and uh, I did my internship with a social worker, and she was doing some therapy at the residential facility that I was working with, and she was telling me about all the perks, all the things that she's able to do that a clinical therapist can do. And that's one thing that excited me, and I continue to do research, and I have a friend who's in this program and going to this exact school, and was just telling me about how fantastic the teachers were and how awesome the program were. And I wanted to pursue that, and the more I researched, I seen more doors that opened up and more avenues that was open for the social worker, and that's another thing that intrigued me as well. I currently work at a day treatment facility, and I do intensive in-home where I teach psychoeducation to kids and parents. And with this MSW program, I would like to take these skills that I'm learning and apply that so I can better assist my clients and future clients I may have, and eventually I'd like to have my own mobile business and practice of doing therapy. I'm looking forward to learning new things from you guys, the teachers, and I hope you guys just have a blessed evening. Thank you.